Yo, what is good? So I got a recap for the weekly recap for today for the past week. This week I only took just two trades actually, but it was literally like one of my biggest weeks ever, which literally goes to show that less is actually more. So I mean, like the other weeks there's like one trade, but this is like yeah. Like my point is that bro, less is more. But I took two trades and I literally made 2%. Like that's literally like one of the biggest. That's actually the biggest week I've ever had, ever, which is actually crazy to think about. But yeah. So Uh, so just two trades, zero losses, two wins, one buy, one loss, 1.04 total lots. So it wasn't that big of a trading week. I mean, big of a lot size, but it was only two trades. There was a 2.12% gain. And yeah, now my final equity is 10,126. So yeah. So this week was well with handling positions. With the second one wasn't the best, but I have not lost in a while, so I need to make sure that I do not tweak out if I lose. I'm due for a loss, and I should be excited to lose. That's just the probability thing out. I need to continue managing my position properly, and honestly, just do not care about trading. That's what's been working for me. I need to not focus on my account balance and just allow whatever to happen. Be patient on the charts and wait for the setup to come to me. I do not need to trade every single day. Just less is more. Trust my plan works and follow it fully, so don't bend my rules, and it is only time step until I pass the fund account. Stay focused when on the charts and continue to do what is working. So yeah, and then I traded just the USD pairs this week. So the first setup I took was this one here. um so we pushed past London high, and then we came into the Asian low. Pretty sure this was a 4 hour equilibrium, this blue line here. So we did come into that, and then it was kind of like mumbo jumbo, but we did inverse. We wait what, but now I'm confused. But we did inverse this gap here with this closure below, but then because we had a 30-minute closure above the London high, oh, maybe this is like the 10 pip gap or something, but we did come into Asian low, inverse the gap, and then we had a reaction. Yeah, so we came into the Asian low, we had a reaction, and we inversed the gap, and then we did retrace into equilibrium on the 1 minute, and then I entered off the 1 minute break of structure. So yeah, this trade did work out, bro. I actually almost got stopped out, I can't lie. This was low-key lucky, I can't lie now. I didn't really look at it, but damn, bro. Yeah. So it's a good thing that I had my stop 2.5 above, because if I had it any lower, I probably wouldn't want to stopped out with spread. But yeah, price kept pushed through. Got TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. TP4 ended up getting hit, but I exited out like at this point because I was like getting impatient. I didn't want to. Actually, no, I exited out somewhere here because I just wanted to secure the profits, and that is a mistake that I made. So that just goes to show I still haven't fully been carefree about positions, because I did want to just lock in the position and just be comfortable with it. But I need to understand that to be a good trader, you need to be uncomfortable all the time. So if I'm comfortable, I'm doing something wrong. So yeah, the other trade was this trade on GBP USD. So this was the 10 pip buffer from the London high. We did come to the London high. 4 hour was bearish coming down. We did push past the 10 minute, but we 10 pip, I mean, but we did wick into the Asian high, which was honestly enough for me because we had all these fair value gaps here as well. So we broke structure, came down, we came back into 1 minute equilibrium, and then we broke 1 minute structure and entered short off of that. And then we hit take profit. However, this one I actually did not manage my position that good. I took take profit like one here just like early, because apparently, but I knew that there was an orange news, but like it got announced in our Discord, so I thought it was like a big, like important orange news that wasn't a red folder news. So then I just closed it early. But I honestly should not have done that. I should have just stayed patient. So yeah, I should have just take profit one here, take profit two here. So I took 0.5 off here, and then I took another third off of here. So yeah, I only made like a little bit off this guy. I got the rest after I break even. But honestly, what I should learn from this is that on Fridays, that is kind of today. This is the last day of the month as well. So because it's last day of, oh wait, no, second last day, last trading day of the month. So I should have understood that, because it's what was I gonna say? Because it's like less. Because it's Friday, it's like the last Tuesday. It'll probably be kind of weird. So I should have just, I mean, like be slow. So I should have just taken profits off for like maybe just limit myself to two take profits, not too far. Just take my profits and leave instead of trying to catch the entire movement, which probably wouldn't happen on a Friday. So yeah. So that's all for this week. It was pretty short because I only took two trades. It was a good week. I was locked in. Honestly, what's been working for me is just like actually like not caring about trading, just not focusing on account balance, not focusing on trading. Just this week I was just so busy with editing videos, so it just kind of helped me not focus too much on trading. But yeah, so that is probably all for this weekly recap. I gotta mow the grass, but bro, I don't know why there's so many bees everywhere, and then there's like a rabbit like that has like a broken leg that's like just sitting in our front yard, and it's not moving, and it's hard to cut the grass when the rabbit will move. I feel bad, bro, because the rabbit's leg is cooked, bro. Like you can't move anywhere, so it's like Bro, I don't know what to do. And there's so many bees in our garage. Like wasps, not bees. They're like the ones that look dangerous. I took a video of one that was inside the garage when I was outside. Bro, like, dude, just looking at this makes me like tweak, bro. Like these ones. And it's so weird, bro. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this here. So yeah, goodbye.